Hi guys, today we're going to make a windmill. It's simple and fun to fold, so let's get started. We'll start by making the base of the windmill, the house. Fold the paper in half like this. Now fold both sides in to meet the center line, like folding a brochure. Fold down the top corners to shape the roof. Fold the roof shape down, just like this. Flip the paper over. Now fold the bottom part up, but not all the way. Leave a little space at the top, like this. Check if the fold is nice and straight, lined up with the roof. Flip it over, make a small triangle at the bottom of the top flap. Then fold the lower part of the house along a diagonal. Do the same on the other side. It's okay if the diagonal edge isn't perfectly sharp or even. Take 2 small sheets of paper and cut each one in half to make 4 pieces. Fold it in half. Then fold both sides in toward the center, like folding a brochure. Fold both corners to make a little roof shape, like this. Make sure to press down on a flat surface. I'm just holding it up so you can see it better. Easy, right? Now make 3 more so you have 4 blades in total. Use leftover paper to decorate your windmill however you like. Add windows, a door, or stripes on the blades. Feel free to get creative. I'm sure your windmill will turn out even cuter than mine. Thanks for watching. Your likes and subscriptions mean a lot. See you in the next one.